Kia is expanding its lineup once again with the introduction of the K4 Hatchback, a compact and versatile entry-level vehicle. Arriving a year after the K4 sedan, this hatchback maintains much of the sedan's practicality while offering a more compact design. Although Kia had previously teased the model through low-resolution images and short video clips, the 2025 New York International Auto Show serves as the first live showcase of the new hatchback. While the front end closely resembles the sedan, the hatchback has distinct proportions. It retains the hidden rear door handles and sculpted rear shoulders, but also incorporates a new black trim piece connecting the side windows to the rear glass. At the back, the hatch distinguishes itself with a wide LED light bar and an integrated spoiler. The 5-door model's rear overhang is 11 inches, 279 millimeters, shorter than the sedans, with a 10.6-inch, 269mm difference in the GT line trims. Kia claims this smaller footprint enhances maneuverability, especially in urban settings. Inside, the K4 hatchback carries over the sedan's digital cockpit, which can be paired with a Harman Kardon audio system and up to 29 driver assistance features. Despite being shorter, Kia maintains that the hatchback offers the same class-leading rear legroom as the sedan while providing an extra inch, 25mm of rear headroom due to its flatter roofline. Where the hatchback truly stands out is in cargo space. It boasts 22.2 cubic feet, 629 liters, of storage behind the rear seats, which expands to 59.3 cubic feet, 1,679 liters, when the seats are folded down, significantly more than the sedan's 14.6 cubic feet, 413 liters, thanks to its taller rear design. The K4 hatchback debuts in an exclusive sparkling yellow color. The GT line trim is equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels and gloss black accents on the mirrors, side skirts, and wheel arch moldings. It also features a 3-spoke steering wheel, paddle shifters, and a sportier suspension setup. The GT line turbo adds LED projection headlights, LED fog lights, a power sunroof, and upgraded 16-inch front brakes. Under the hood, the base model is powered by a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, paired exclusively with an intelligent variable transmission, IVT. For enhanced performance, buyers can opt for a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The 2026 Kia K4 hatchback is set to arrive at U.S. dealerships in late 2025. Pricing and full trim details will be announced closer to launch. For reference, the 2025 Kia K4 sedan is priced between $21,990 and $28,090, suggesting the hatchback will fall within a similar range.